In this video, we are going to learn how to configure the header of the report. We can access the header configuration in two ways. We can do it either through the Auxiliary Processes menu, pressing Configuration and then Headers, or by going to the main menu and pressing Requests, then going to Results and pressing Ctrl+C in the wildcard box. Now we are going to create a new header by pressing New. Then we enter its code and the name we want to give the header. We can now enter the details of the header, starting off with the laboratory name in text box 1, and usually in text box 2 we put the address and other contact details. Next, we will enter a text that will go above the signature. We then have two lines to enter the report's footer. This can be used to enter the laboratory's catchphrase or any certification the lab might have. We will now go to the advanced options and select the documents where we want to set the new header as default. We can also add the laboratory's logo and an electronic signature. Here we can see the new header selected by default. Now we can see an example of a report with the new header. First, we see the logo in the top left hand corner, laboratory name, the address and contact details, the text above the signature, and the footers. We also have the option of changing the appearance of the text in each of the headers. To do this, we go back into the header configuration. We press the image at the right of the label to access the text editor. The new formatted header will take up the space of text 1 and text 2, so we must put the contact details here too. First, we put the laboratory name in bold, increase its size and change its color to red. In the case of the contact details, we make the text a little bigger and change it to blue. We can also format the signature header, in this case putting the text in italics. And lastly, the footer. When we format the footer, we have to put both lines into the text editor, like we did with the header. In this case, putting the first line of text in orange. We can now see the new appearance of the headers in the report. The header, the signature, and the new footers.